Just a quick video on the clamp system that I have available. These are designed for 1/4-inch holes at 2 inches on center. These pins will come up, so these holes in my spoil board are drilled all the way through. But if you have one that only has 1/2-inch holes or whatever in it, these pins will adjust and come up. I would recommend that you have your holes go all the way through. One, it helps out keeping them clean from the sawdust, because the sawdust just falls straight down through, and it also gives you, more of a bite on your board if you have them going all the way through. So to put it in place, you just set that down like that. I've got a board here that's got a pretty good amount of bow in it, so I'm just going to push it down to the surface. Use a 3/8 driver, fasten that down, and you can see that it has that right down to the surface and it's not going anywhere. I would probably put 1 or 2 more clamps on this side on a board this long, but just to give you a demo, having 1 clamp on there and only 1 clamp has that held down pretty good. So again, these are available on my website for purchase in a set of 4, and I'll get them sent out to you as quickly as possible.